Welcome back. You're watching round 2 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Mona Heights Primary on 4 and Vaz Prep on 7. It's now time for Section 2, the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, a member of each team will face off against a member of the opposite team in math, science, English language, and social studies. The first face-off is in mathematics, and it's Janoy Thompson from Vaz up against Nikolai Downer from Mona Heights. Janoy, what number, when added to 159, is equal to 1,000?
841.
Correct. A certain number divided by 9 gives a result of 12 and a remainder of 7. What is the number?
115.
Correct. A soccer team played 15 games and won 12. What was the team's win percentage?
80%.
Correct. What is the value of 81.17 multiplied by 10?
811.7.
Correct. And what is 18 over 144 reduced to a fraction in its lowest term?
1/11.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Nikolai?
No, thank you.
It's 1/8. Nikolai, your questions. What number, when added to 765, is equal to 1,500?
$735.
Correct. A certain number divided by 12 gives a result of 11 and a remainder of 10. What is the number?
142.
Correct. A girl scored 12 out of 40 on her math test. What was her percentage score?
30%.
Correct. What is the value of 53.89 multiplied by 100?
5,389.
Correct. And what is 19 over 133 reduced to a fraction in its lowest term?
1/19.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Janoy?
No, thank you.
It's 1/7. That's the end of the math face-off. We move on to science, and this face-off is Captain Michaela Dixon from Vaz Prep up against Amoy Jackson from Mona Heights. Michaela, which vitamin is also called ascorbic acid?
Vitamin C.
Correct. In which state of matter is water vapor? Is it A, a solid, B, a liquid, or C, a gas?
A gas.
Correct. In what unit is air pressure measured by a barometer?
Millibars.
Correct. What color is formed when the two primary colors of light red and blue are mixed?
Magenta.
Correct. And in which specific part of the air can the semicircular canals be found?
The inner ear.
5 for 5 for Michaela. Amoy, a lack of which vitamin causes the disease beriberi?
Vitamin A.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Michaela?
Yes, please. Vitamin B.
Correct. Amoy, which of the following happens to water when it freezes? Is it A, it expands, B, it contracts, or C, it remains the same?
A, it expands.
Correct. What is the psychrometer used to measure? Would you like to try, Michaela?
Yes, please. Humidity.
That is correct. Amoy, what color is formed when the primary colors of light red and green are mixed?
Yellow.
Correct. How many semicircular canals are there in one human ear?
2.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Michaela?
Yes, please. 3.
That is correct. That's the end of the science face-off. Face-off in English is between Jordan Robinson from Vaz and Joaquin Edwards from Mona Heights. Jordan, spell the comparative form of the word holy.
HOLYER.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Joaquin?
Yes, please. HOLIER.
Correct. Jordan, what is the meaning of the root word this as used in vision?
Foresee.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Joaquin?
Yes, please. Sight.
That is correct. Jordan, does the word veracious mean greedy, truthful, or crazy?
Greedy.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Joaquin?
No, thank you.
It's truthful. Jordan, please identify the subject in the sentence. The ladies arrived for the party.
The ladies.
Correct. Give a 5-letter synonym ending with the letter Y for the word procrastinate.
Delay.
Correct. Joaquin, your questions. Spell the superlative form of the word fancy.
F-A-N-C-I-E-S-T.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jordan?
Yes, thank you. F-A-N-C-Y-E-S-T.
Incorrect. It's F-A-N-C-I-E-R. Joaquin, what is the meaning of the root word sub as used in submarine?
Below.
Correct. Does the word spontaneous mean planned, unprompted, or spongy?
Planned.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jordan?
No, thank you.
Unprompted. Joaquin, please identify the predicate in the sentence. The boys and their father went riding.
And their father went riding.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jordan?
Yes, thank you. Went riding.
That is correct. Joaquin, give an 8-letter synonym ending with the letter N for the word obstinate.
Pass.
Jordan, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Stubborn.
That is correct. That's the end of the English language face-off. The final face-off in social studies is between Zachary Buchanan from Vaz and Captain Marco Dean Stewart from Mona Heights. Zachary, Baldwin Spencer is a former prime minister of which Caribbean country? Correct. Which of Jamaica's prime ministers was born on April 10, 1935?
TVJ Jnr.
Correct. In what year did Jamaica national hero Norman Manley die?
1963.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Marco Dean?
Yes, please. 1969.
That is correct. Zachary, the Trinity Cross is a national honor in which Caribbean country?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Correct. And what intermediate direction is St. Vincent and the Grenadines from Grenada?
Northwest.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Marco Dean? Incorrect. It's northeast. Marco Dean, your questions. Donald Ramotar is a former president of which Caribbean country?
Montserrat.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Zachary?
Yes, thank you. Guyana.
Correct. Marco Dean, which of Jamaica's prime ministers was born on December 5, 1947? Would you like to try, Zachary?
Yes, thank you. Oret Bruce Golding.
That is correct. Marco Dean, in what year was the Jamaican national hero Sir Alexander Bustamante born?
1884.
Correct. The Le Piton Medal is a national honor in which Caribbean country?
Haiti.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Zachary?
Yes, thank you. St. Lucia.
That is correct. Marco Dean, what intermediate direction is Trinidad and Tobago from Grenada?
Northwest.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Zachary?
Yes, thank you. Southeast.
That is correct. And at the end of our Junior Challenge face-off, we have Vaz Prep on 29 and Mona Heights on 14. We go for a break, and the final challenge is up next. You're watching TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021.